the kitchen. Jody is cooking. She is cooking up a storm. And me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it. You have to taste it. And when you taste it, you can't erase it. Hey, Jody cooking.
Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I've got another amazing, delicious recipe for you all. I'm gonna make some homemade fried chicken. Yes, my daughter said, "Mommy, you haven't made fried chicken in a while." And I said, yes, that's so true. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna surprise her with some fried chicken. She's at school now. So when she come home, she's gonna say, "Mommy, do or make some fried chicken for her." I cannot wait to see her face. So guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it. You must know someone will also, will enjoy this recipe also. So please guys, share. I thank you all so much in advance. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. And hit your notification button for whenever I upload a video, you will be the first to see it, okay? So guys, just before I show you all my ingredients, I just want to read a Bible verse for you all. And I pray that you all is blessed by it, okay? So it's from John 15 verse 5. So Jesus said, "I am the vine, you are the branches. If you remain in me and I in you, you will bear much fruit. Apart from me, you can do nothing." Amen. Guys, I pray that you all is blessed by this verse. I love you, and remember that God loves you so much. Okay, God bless you all. So guys, in my bowl right here, I've got at least 4 pounds of leg and thigh, okay? And I also have some hot pepper sauce, and this is at least ½ cup. These are my seasoning. Here I have 1 tablespoon of my paprika, 1 tablespoon of my garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of my onion and salt powder, 2 teaspoons of my cayenne pepper, and 1 tablespoon of my cajun seasoning, okay? And I'm also gonna add some black pepper, at least 2 teaspoons. Yes, here's my milk. I'm using whole milk at the back here. This is at least 2 cups. Flour, I'm using plain flour. Just add as much flour as you like, depends on how many chicken you're frying. This is at least 3.5 cups of my plain flour. So guys, my chicken is already washed and clean with some lemon juice. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take a paper towel and just remove any excess water. I love a good homemade fried chicken. So I'm just gonna add just a little bit of my olive oil. I'm just gonna combine. I'm not gonna use all my seasoning. I'm gonna leave back some for my flour mixture. Now I'm gonna add my seasonings. Gonna leave out this amount. And it's nice and washed, so I'm just gonna massage all that seasoning all over on my chicken. Make sure that the chicken is covered with the seasoning, okay? You can even lift up the skin. Guys, my chicken is nicely seasoned. So now I'm just gonna work on my flour mixture, so stay tuned. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add at least 1 teaspoon of my salt to my flour. I'm also gonna add some more of my garlic powder. At least 1 tablespoon. Trust me guys, you see garlic powder make your chicken taste so good. And onion powder. Adding my remaining seasoning. I'm gonna leave back a little bit, okay? You will find out and see what am I gonna use it for. And I'm also gonna add 2 teaspoons of my onion powder and 2 teaspoons of my paprika. And the paprika is just gonna give it a nice color, Black pepper. I add just a little bit more of my Cajun seasoning, at least half teaspoon of my cayenne pepper. Just gonna blend it all in. Guys, I'm gonna add at least 1 tablespoon of my sriracha. So guys, my flour mixture, everything is all combined. I'm telling you, this right here is gonna add so much flavor to your chicken with all the seasoning that I add. Wow. So guys, now that I finished with my dry ingredients, I'm gonna do my wet ingredients. So to my milk, I'm gonna add my hot sauce, and you can use as any hot sauce as your choice. I'm gonna add my remaining seasoning, just like so, and mix it all in. And guys, to my milk, I'm gonna add eggs. So I'm gonna add at least 4 eggs. Just wanna stir it as you're adding it. So you wanna make sure that it is nicely combined. So now guys, what I'm gonna do, firstly, I'm gonna add my chicken to my milk and egg mixture, like so. Drain off any excess. Then I'm gonna add it to my flour mixture right here. You can just squeeze on the flour like this. Shake off any excess flour. And what I'm gonna do guys, I'm gonna put it on a rack, just like so. Guys, I coated most of my chicken, so what I'm gonna quickly do, I'm gonna heat up my oil, okay? Yes, oil is all heated up. I just wanna add a garlic just to see how hot it is. I'm using vegetable oil, okay? And I'm gonna deep fry my chicken. You can use peanut oil, any oil of your choice, okay? As you can see, it's just bubbling up a bit. You don't want your oil to be super hot, okay? So now I'm just gonna gently add my chicken. I'm gonna add at least 5 in my pot, 5 to 6, just like so. So guys, I'm just gonna allow it to fry for at least 10 minutes, okay? Yes. Make sure that your stove is not turned up too high. My stove is on a medium to just a bit of high heat, but not so high, yeah. So after 10 minutes or so guys, you just wanna turn it. Guys, my chicken is finished, so now I'm just gonna remove it and put it on a baking rack. Once you see the chicken, guys, is floating out on the top, you know that it is finished, okay? So now I'm gonna add my remaining chicken. So now I'm just gonna remove it. So crispy. Perfect. So my fried chicken is all finished, and guys, I'm telling you, this recipe right here is a must try. It is super crunchy and so delicious. I mean, just look at that color, nice and golden. If you try this recipe, don't forget to comment below and tell me what it's like, okay? I'm gonna serve mine with some Jamaican rice and peas. I just have some barbecue sauce just on the side there. You can serve yours with whatever you prefer. Guys, I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Thank you all so much for all your love and your support. I really appreciate it. Bye, guys. Love you all.